Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be giving you all a initial review of this hair that I'm wearing. This is the Flady hair from Amazon, or Flady hair. I keep hearing people pronounce it Flady hair, but to me Flady just sounds better, so I'm just going to call it Flady hair. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and give y'all my little initial review of this hair. I've been wearing it only for about 3 days now, and I do have some clips of me opening the hair, so I am gonna insert that little unboxing video into this as well. So I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right into it. I have some hair from Flady hair, or Flady hair, off of Amazon. And I ordered 4 bundles and a closure, and it came in a box like this, and it did have bubble wrap on the top, but I've already taken it out. It's been so hard not opening this package because it came like hours ago. But yeah, I'm just gonna hop right into it. So here is the 14-inch closure. It comes in a little bag like this with some eyelashes, and then here are 4 bundles, and it comes with lashes too. So yeah, I bought this hair on Amazon because it was like super cheap, and I figured there wasn't a lot of risk in buying it. But I have plans to, I'm gonna dye it tonight and then make the wig over the next few days. Wigs do take me like a long time to make because I sew them. A lot of people glue their wigs, but I like to sew them so that it can actually last, you know? And so yeah, and I have like a busy day because I am in school, so yeah. But this is, let's see, 18-inch bundle. And I also have 20, 24, and 22. So I'm just gonna open the longest one. And after I'm done with this part of the video, just keep watching because I'm gonna come back after I have made the wig and dyed the hair and everything, so I can tell y'all if it took the dye and all that stuff. Because if this is good hair, then I might just be onto something because it was really, really cheap. Okay, so there's a rubber band right there. So pretty much everything from like AliExpress and I guess Amazon comes in this. And this is the Brazilian body wave texture. It says 100% human hair. Your beauty is our duty. It looks official. It has like this net on it. And then some tags, 100% human hair, your beauty is our duty. Yeah, and it says that on all the tags. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this off. Okay, I'm just gonna run my fingers through it. Yeah, so it's very soft, but then again, all brand new hair is. I know people like to look at the weft, so that's what the weft look like. And I'm just gonna open the closure now because I got 4 bundles and a free parting closure. And it says made in China, but okay. And this is the lashes that it came with. It's in Chinese. Mandarin, I guess. Yeah, and the closure is 14 inches. What was yours bundle? 18 inches? I got 14 inch closure. I think it's because I was thinking about having bangs like this. So I got a 14 inch closure. I got the 4x4 like free parting closure because I want it to be like a little bitty frontal, basically. Like I hate frontals because it's just so much, but one day I was like, if my frontal was only like right here, I think I would love it. Then I was like, wait, that's literally like a freaking free 4x, like the free part enclosure. So I'm gonna like, you know, part it and do like the baby hair or whatever. Probably not the baby hair actually, because I got enough baby hair on my own. But yeah, so everything is looking really good. I'll be back when everything is finished and I'll let y'all know how the hair is holding up. But the closure looks really good. It doesn't smell like anything, it just smells like hair. So yeah, I'm really excited about this hair because if it's good, and it's literally like the cheapest hair I've ever paid for. So if it's good, then I will definitely be back to let y'all know. So stay tuned. So I unboxed this hair about 3 or 4 days ago, and then I went ahead and dyed the hair and made the wig that night. So I've been wearing it for about 3 days, and I dyed this hair. This is called magenta. So just so y'all can see it, it's called magenta, but it's really like red. I did not bleach this at all, and it came out this bright red color. And this is my very first time. This is a lot of firsts for me. This is very, very new for me because I usually wear like curly hair or maybe like shorter hair. I've never had hair this long. I've had 22-inch hair, but it was very curly, so it was short. And I've never had color hair. I've always like only dyed the ends like brown, and that's all I've done. So I've never actually had like a color, and I've never worn my hair straight. Like I used to wear my hair straight when I was relaxed, but when I was relaxed my hair was like not so good. So it barely shed. Like I had like a little ball of hair after I finished like dyeing it, and that was it. Like it hasn't shed since then. Like I've been running my fingers through it. I just brushed it a few hours ago. I've gone to 3 classes before I came back to do this video, and yeah, as you can see, it's still good. And that wasn't a tangle, it got caught on my fingernail. Yeah, it's very pretty, and it's super, super thick. Yeah, it's so thick. But yeah, this was just a quick little review, initial review for the Flady hair off Amazon. And so far, I'm really loving this hair. But as I said, it has only been like 4 days. So I think in about 2 or 3 weeks or so, I'm gonna come back with like a review, like a 1 month review, and then we'll see from there. So for now, that is all I have to say about this hair, Flady hair. I am loving it. I'm loving the color. I'm loving the straight hair. It's just something completely different than what I'm used to. So I'm very, very happy to be, you know, trying this out, especially since it was so inexpensive. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and subscribe and give it a thumbs up, and check out some of the other videos on my channel, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.